In this video, we're making these chocolate ganache filled flour cupcakes that are both beautiful and delicious. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the cake batter, so let's get started. To your flour, add in the cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Give that a mix. Then to the water, add in the instant coffee powder and mix it. In another bowl, take the sugar, coffee water, buttermilk, yogurt or dahi, oil, and give that a good mix. Once everything is combined, you're going to add in the dry ingredients and just mix until the dry ingredients are incorporated in the batter, but do not overmix. Then line your tray with some liners. And then using a spoon, just fill the liners till about 3/4 full. And then you're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or till a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And make sure not to overbake them. Now place these cakes on a wire rack and let them cool completely. As they are cooling, you can make the chocolate ganache, and these are the ingredients you're going to need. Take the chocolate and the cream in a microwave-safe bowl. And you're going to microwave this for 20-second intervals until the chocolate and the cream are melted. And make sure to mix well between the intervals. You can also use a double boiler for this if you do not have a microwave. And once you have a smooth ganache, you're going to add this to a piping bag with a small round tip. And now I'm stuffing the cupcakes with the chocolate ganache. To do this, you're just going to press the tip into the cupcake and just fill them one by one. You'll also see the cupcakes puff up slightly as they fill with the ganache. And then just flatten the ganache on the top. Now we're making the whipping cream, and these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to whip the cream on high speed, and along the way just add in some food color as well. You can actually add this at the very beginning. And then just keep whipping until you have stiff peaks. Now you're going to spread some of this cream onto the top of the cupcakes. And then fill this in a piping bag with a flat star tip, or honestly any star tip that you have. And then I'm drawing some petals in a circle around the center. And then you're going to draw one more circle to create sort of a layer of petals. And then we're going to top the center with some sprinkles. You can also use some mini chocolate chips or any other sprinkles that you want. And that's it, your ganache-filled chocolate cupcakes are ready to be served. These are so pretty and taste so chocolatey and delicious. The cake itself is very moist and the ganache in the center is so divine. These are a perfect treat to make for birthday parties or any party you may be having. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more recipes and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with new uploads, and I'll see you soon. Bye!